on Amazon Explorer? Nanonood? Nasa ibang bansa ka? Hello, shout out everyone. Quintero, what time is it? Victor Quintero. Philippine time is 5:55, almost 6. Canada. Ay, shout out from Canada. You work there in Canada? Or you hapon dito with pa lang? Ah, Wednesday. Dito Thursday na. Kasi after this live, we will prepare for going school for Makmak. Seems like there are a lot of single mother in Philippines. Why? Because most of Filipinos here are irresponsible. That's why we broke up early to not to be stressed in our life. James Mosley, hello pretty lady. Hello James Mosley, watching from? You do online your husband Thursday 16 which what's that? Same time tayo host kaso Tuesday. Ah, okay. Iba lang ng araw. No, I don't have husband. It's 5:05 US, Texas. Hello, Victor Quintero, watching from Texas. You don't have and your husband doesn't say anything. I said I don't have husband. I'm a single mother. You do online. We broke up last 2022. I'm single around 2 years, almost 3 years, because he left us with my son because he has another girl. Sige ho, sige tayo sa patambay. Okay, MT Amazon, I hope na manood ka next time on live. Kasi mostly nagla-live ako maggabi. It's 10 o'clock in the evening. 10, 11. Hmm. No, I said no husband. You come to Dubai. I can't come. Oh, single and very young. Young. You don't mind, Victor Quintero. You are single too. You are from Texas. And how old are you? Mr. Maha, behave or you'll be time out. Yeah. Can you please time out, Maha? I have, yeah. It's better to broke up with my partner because so stress. Okay, 10 p.m. dyan, 10 p.m. dito. Nasa work ako niyan. Okay din, pwede din mag-live ako in like this time when I woke up early. Because this is my first time when I go live this time early in the morning because last night I can't go live because I'm sleepy so I need to live. I'm older man, I'm 40. No, it's not old. It's I'm also 42. Eddie Whipple, you like what you see? What you see? Tom, other Whipple is watching from. No, it's just 6 years gap. I'm 42 years old. Was no distance. Okay. Yes, if like this time I'm in home. Okay. But you can watch my live, my highlights live. Please watch guys my video because I know, and please don't skip my ads. I have them my upload videos to in order guys to help me to get more views guys to like what you see. What you like what you see? Mr. Maha, are you okay? Just be nice. Thank you, Tom. Hi, Thomas True. Bonjour. Hello. From Mm.